hello everyone, this is Shweta Kabra and I'm teaching you acquisitions and mergers. Okay, so guys, please kindly have a look at the question and then I'm going to start explaining it. So while you look at the question, I'll just write the data whichever is required for your explanation. Okay. What you have to do in the exam is, as and when you are reading the question, make sure you are writing the data. These are very important for your long questions. Am I clear? This question and the next question, they are very, very important for your externals and also for your ACCA exam. So as and when we go through the question, you have to start writing the data. Once you people are done, I'll start writing the data then. Shall we? Laguna Company and Venice Company are listed companies. Laguna is considering a takeover bid for Venice using a share for share exchange. Guys, always remember, whenever it is a cash payment, it's pretty easy to compute premium, right? But whenever it is a share exchange, that's what the actual trouble starts for the student, because you have to compute it. Now, I'll just write it over here. Purchase consideration. I hope this is clearly visible to you all. So purchase consideration में share for share exchange. But we don't know how many numbers of shares are given. So let us look into the question. Right now, the market value of Laguna Company and Venice Company is given likely. So basically, as we already know, this is a question of acquisition. So already we write it over here, post acquisition as Laguna Company and Venice Company. This is what our post acquisition. So guys, directly I'm writing the market value, but in exam what are you supposed to do? You will write the share price, you will write the share in issue. For third row mein you gonna write the market value, because you will also be awarded marks for the presentation. Let me tell you very clearly. So over here, market value would be 10 into 10, 100 million, and 8 into 5 is 40 million. Okay? Alright. Now, if the acquisition goes ahead, synergy with a total value of 20 million are expected to be achieved. Right now, if I want the total over here, can I make it 140 million? This is pre-acquisition. It is pre-acquisition. Guys, suppose if I want post-acquisition, at that point of time, what is pre-acquisition market value? Plus synergy effect, because synergy is basically when two companies are coming together. Always, you know, this is an assumption which goes, two minds are always powerful than the one, right? So over here, 140 million plus 20 million, this becomes 160 million. Is this fine? Is this fine? Now proceeding with this, so this is the post acquisition market value. Post acquisition market value. But guys, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to categorize into the Laguna Company and Venice Company. That is what we are supposed to do. So basically what am I doing over here is, I am putting a box. Okay, so this is a, just write it neatly in your books, Ray. Post acquisition, and this is Laguna Company and this is Venice Company. Now, if I proceed further with this, Venice Company shareholders have indicated that they would be happy to accept an offer that enabled them to achieve a 25% premium on acquisition. अब ध्यान से सुनना you all. So we are computing it for post acquisition. This is just a side heading. I mean, just write it above your table. post acquisition करके. Write it above your table. This is the particulars. So proceeding with this, if I just write pre-acquisition market value, can I write directly? As 100 and this as 40. Now required premium is 25% for Venice company. Venice company is demanding how much? 25%. So 40 into 25% would be 10. 40 into 25%. But guys, what is the total? This is total 140, but synergy मिल रहा है 20. Synergy मिल रहा है कितना? 20. Out of this 20, 10 goes to Venice. तो बाकी का the remaining leftover will go to whom? Are you getting it? So basically, can I write it over here? 10 as the balancing figure after fulfilling the requirement of Venice. That's how the synergies have to be shared. Although in the question it's not given that they are sharing equally, but then that's how we have to make it. Am I clear? Now likewise, can I write this as 110, 50 and 160? This is known as post acquisition individual market values. ठीक है? Is this fine? Now the requirement goes over here like this. Advise the directors of Laguna company on a suitable share for share exchange offer which meets the criteria specified by Venice company shareholders. Calculate the gains to both set of shareholders in dollar and percentage terms. So guys, that's what we have already done. Now what are we doing is over here in the next part. I will write it pretty clearly, Laguna company and Venice company. So we will write old wealth over here. What was the old wealth which we have computed? 100 and 40. What is the new wealth? 110 and 50. So how much is the gain both of the companies are having? 10 and 10. Now percentage we want na. So percentage gain, always you will compare it with the old wealth, something which you have had it. Now 10 by 100, 10 by 40. So basically 10%, 25%. So Venice company will accept the offer provided Laguna company provides them with 50 million for their 40 million worth of market value. That is what you have to mention it over there. Any doubts? Sure? That's it. You all can start copying. Achha, sorry, 1 minute. There is one more question asked over here. Share per share exchange. I do not have the space. Guys, listen to me. Since I do not have the space, I am writing it over here. Shall I write it over here? And then if possible, I'll just take this area. So share for share exchange is also given. Right now, how many are we giving them? 50 million. But we are giving shares in which company? Laguna company. We are giving shares in which company? Laguna company. So right now, 50 million divided by what price we need to have it now? We usually need to have 10 because share price today is $10. So I'll just put it. Number of shares to be given to Venice company in Laguna company. Therefore, $50 million by 10, which is equal to 5 million. Although they already have something known as 5 million, but there is a little twist over here. What kind of twist is that? If the Venice company shareholders have indicated that they would be happy to accept an offer that enabled them to achieve a 25% premium on acquisition. नहीं, share for share exchange should be meeting the criteria, so that cannot be exactly 5.
$8 share is converted to $8 share, it's a 25% premium directly.
Share for share exchange बोले तो 10:5, 10:5 में again it will be going like this, 10 into 10, 100. Listen to me guys, how this thing goes is that कि how many shares are we giving? 5. How many shares are already there in the Laguna? 10. So 10:5, 10:5. So basically we want to maintain the share for share exchange. So the addressing the questions in ACCA exams is very important. Each and every mark is allotted accordingly. Am I clear? Especially the ones those who are doing ACCA. Now proceeding with this, they are asking share for share exchange offer. So we have to also compute share for share exchange. We have to also compute share for share exchange. Please put your pens down and hear me out. So if I want share for share exchange offer, share for share exchange offer. So how do we proceed over here? Laguna company and Venice company. If I have to tell you pretty directly, in this manner I would want to tell you market value post acquisition. This is 110, this is 50, total it becomes 160. And now number of shares, that we don't know. Number of shares, do we know? That we don't know. But what are they asking us? They are asking us to have the relative shareholding जैसे था वैसे ही रहना चाहिए with respect to synergy effect. So guys, just listen to me. Now this, if I would want to put in a ratio, can I just, if I just put in a ratio, number of shares ratio, can I write 2.2:1? Because that is what they are asking now. Suitable share for share exchange offer. So what is the offer? 2.2:1, not 2:1, because 2:1 was a pre-acquisition. Now they are talking something about post-acquisition. So basically for every 50, that is 1 share, Laguna company is having how many shares? 2.2 shares. Laguna company is having 2.2 shares, and they are telling ki this ratio should be maintained. This should not be changed as per the requirement of 25% premium. Is this fine? Any doubt? Anyone let me know. Okay. Now in this category, for every 2.2 shares in Laguna company, Venice company will receive 1 share. Now number of shares, if I talk about it, so can I write in this manner that 110 by 2.2, how many shares will they receive? 110 by 2.2. नहीं इनके shares कितने हैं?
10 million.
Okay, sorry, number of shares over here 10 million. So now 10 divided by 2.2, how many shares will they receive? 4.55 shares. I'm just rounding it off. 4.55 shares they will receive, and this should be maintained. This cannot be changed. So if 10 million is considering 2.2, at that point of time, this 1 million should be considered, I mean the 1 ratio should be considered as 4.55 million. So what is the share for share exchange? 2.2:1. And the remaining already we have computed. If you want a mere value, then you can go with the value also if you want it that way. But this is how we are providing with. Guys, if you want the market value post acquisition, or if you want price post acquisition, if you want price post acquisition, this is 110 million by 10 million, so it is 11, right? It is 11 per share. So 10 into 11 is 110, 4.55 into 11 is 5 million, 50 million. So this is how we have ultimately got the same answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. We're done.